welcome to our latest uploaded video on how to transform your bedroom into a cozy and romantic oasis. Join us as we share tips and tricks on choosing the right lighting, adding soft textiles, and using warm colors to create a welcoming and intimate atmosphere. Get ready to turn your bedroom into the perfect romantic getaway. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Lulu here. In this video, I will share with you some simple and easy tips and ideas on how to make your bedroom cozier and more romantic. Whether you are looking to spruce up your space for yourself or for a special someone, these ideas will help you create a warm and inviting atmosphere. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Now let's get started. The first thing you can do is add some soft and plush textile to your bedroom. Consider investing in some high-quality bedding, throw blankets and decorative pillows in suiting colors. This will not only make your bed more comfortable, but they will also add a touch of luxury to the room. Next, think about the lighting in your bedroom. Soft, warm lighting can instantly make a space feel more romantic. Consider adding some string lights or fairy lights around the headboard or along the walls. You can also incorporate some candles for a cozy and intimate ambience. Another way to make your bedroom cozier and more romantic is by adding some personal touches, displaying framed photos, artwork, or mementos that hold sentimental value can make the space feel more intimate and personal. You can also add some fresh flowers or plants to bring a natural element into the room. Lastly, consider incorporating some soothing scents into your bedroom, whether it's through candles, essential oil diffusers, or linen sprays. A pleasant aroma can help set the mood and make the space feel more inviting. With these simple tips, you can transform your bedroom into a cozy and romantic retreat that you will love spending time in. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this idea helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!